lowering kit on it. Let's see. DJN hooks me up with the lowering kit on it. Truck currently just has a stock 302 with or like a heads cam intake 302. Stock 302, Trick Flow Stage 1 cam, Wind Stealth high-rise intake. Oh, Proform, gotta thank Proform. Proform hooked me up with a Race Series 650 double pumper. That's been the biggest improvement on the build. Truck has a C4 automatic with just a factory torque converter. That's really holding it back, but ACC or Boss Hog hooked us up with a Trick C4 torque converter, so it's going to go in behind this 347, as well as I have another C4 we're going to go through. Get a fresh C4 in there behind it.
Nope, one over towards me.
Towards you, gotcha. Maybe count them, so just going by feel. Go a little bit slower with these since we done crept up on that 30. Come on.
Get you another bite.
As always, got the nephew with the FU down here. Couldn't do none of this without him. He's my biggest supporter, my biggest fan. I don't even know if he's a fan. No, he's a fan, biggest supporter. He helps me out down here a lot. Without him, none of this would be possible. Nephew with the FU is what I call him. He don't like to be on camera. He's camera shy. Got back loose. Back loose too.